In front of me is MediaTek KT107, and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So at first, just open the settings, then find and select backup and reset, and here click on network settings reset, right here. And then confirm that you would like to remove all network settings, including those for Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth, by tapping on reset settings. Confirm it one more time by tapping on reset. And that's it. It has been done, so congrats. Let me try it one more. Here it is. Here you've got the notification. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.